हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू स्टोरी इन द लाइन। आज हम बात करेंगे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक की जिसका नाम है नॉन कोऑपरेशन एंड खिलाफत आंदोलन। इसका टाइम पीरियड है 1919 टू 1922। सो आइए शुरू करते हैं बैकग्राउंड से। अलार्मिंग इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन, जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकेयर एक्सपोज्ड brutal and uncivilized face of foreign rule. Hunter Commission on Punjab atrocities proved to be an eyewash. Montagu Chelmsford reform failed to satisfy Indian nationalists. Lucknow Pact of 1916, next the Rowlatt Act, brought Hindus and Muslims together. Radical nationalist Muslims like Muhammad Ali, Abdul Kalam Azad, Hakim Ajmal Khan had now become more influential than conservative Aligarh school. Younger elements now advocated मिलिटेंट नेशनलिज्म। बात करते हैं टाइमलाइन की। नॉन कोऑपरेशन एंड खिलाफत आंदोलन। ऑन May 1920, Treaty of Sevres with Turkey, which completely dismembered Turkey. In June 1920, all-party conference at Allahabad approved a program of boycott of schools, colleges, and asked Gandhi to lead. 31 August 1920, Khilafat Committee started a campaign of non-cooperation and movement was formally launched. In September 1920, Calcutta session was held which approved non-cooperation program till Punjab and Khilafat wrongs were removed and Swaraj was established. It includes boycott, justice through panchayat, use of khadi, renunciation of government honors and titles. Now December 1920, Nagpur session, non-cooperation was endorsed and a resolution that attainment of Swaraj through peaceful and legitimate means was passed. TWC of 15 members was set up to lead the Congress. Provincial Congress Committee on linguistic basis were organized. Entry fee was reduced to 4 annas. Leaders like Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Annie Besant, G.S. Kharpade, B.C. Pal left the Congress as they believed in constitutional and lawful struggle. ये हो गया timeline. Now let's talk about the spread of non-cooperation and Khilafat Andolan. Gandhiji with Ali brothers undertook a nationwide tour. Educational institutions were organized. Acharya Narendra Dev, C.R. Das, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Bose, and also it includes Jamia at Aligarh, Kashi, Gujarat, and Bihar Vidyapeeth. Many lawyers gave up their practice. Foreign clothes were burnt publicly. Picketing of shops selling foreign liquors and toddy shops. Tilak Swaraj Fund collected 1 crore rupees. In 1921, Ali brothers gave a call to Muslims to resign from army as it was unreligious. असम के स्प्रेड की बात करें तो अंडर JM सेमगुप्ता various strikes were organized in tea plantation, steamer service, Assam Bengal Railways, etc. The Khilafat issue or non-cooperation movement, angered by the treatment meted out to Turkey by British after First World War, paved way for consolidation of emergence of radical nationalist trend among Muslims. Muslims all over the world regarded the Sultan of Turkey as a spiritual leader known as Khalifa. When war ended, Turkey was dismembered and Khalifa was removed from power. Muslims from India demanded Khalifa's control over Muslim sacred places. Khalifa should be left with sufficient territories. Muslim League gave full support to INC and its agitation. 1919, खिलाफत कमिटी was formed under Ali brothers, Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. बात करते हैं खिलाफत non-cooperation movement began with meetings, petitions and later a militant trend emerged. 1919, All India Khilafat Conference held at Delhi called for boycott of British goods and Gandhi was made the president of All India Khilafat Conference. What was the INC stand on Khilafat issue or non-cooperation movement? Tilak was opposed to having an alliance with the Muslims over religious issue. Congress felt inclined to support because it was golden opportunity to cement Hindu-Muslim unity. They were losing faith in constitutional struggle, eager to give expression to their discontent. Indian National Liberation Federation, founded by Surendranath Banerjee. What was the people's response to Khilafat and NCM? Middle class supported the movement at the beginning. Business class की बात करें so use of Swadeshi benefited Indian business class, but big businessman remained skeptical and seemed afraid of labor unrest. Peasant ka support was massive. Students were active volunteers, left government schools and also colleges. Women were active in picketing shop. They gave up parda. Hindu-Muslim unity की बात करें तो it was massive. Participation never seen in the past nor would be seen in the future. 2 by 3 of those arrested were Muslims. What was the government response to Khilafat NCM? The government wanted Gandhi and Ali brothers to remove those portions from speeches which suggested violence. In December 1919, the government came down heavily on protesters, press and leaders. During the last phase, that is Ahmedabad session 1921, which was preceded by C.R. Das, still in jail, and acting president was Hakim Ajmal Khan. On 1st February 1922, Gandhiji threatened to launch civil disobedience from Bardoli, Gujarat. If political prisoners were not released, press control was not removed. Chauri Chaura incident, UP. On 5 February 1922, agitated mass came to protest in front of police station. They torched the police station with policemen inside. 22 policemen were killed in the violence. Immediate withdrawal of movement was passed by Gandhiji. PWC met at Bardoli, resolved to stop all activities that led to breaking of law and to get down to constructive work. On March 1922, Gandhi was arrested and sentenced to 6 years jail. So why Gandhiji withdrew the movement? A violent movement could be easily suppressed by colonial regime. Movement showed fatigue and government in no mood for negotiation. Khilafat question lost its relevance very soon. On November 1922, Turkey rose under Mustafa Kemal Pasha. Turkey was made a secular state. European style of legal system was established there and extensive rights were granted to women. Education was nationalized and modern agriculture and industries were developed. 1924 caliphate was abolished. बात करते हैं evaluation of Khilafat NCM. It communalized the national politics. Leaders failed to raise the religious political consciousness of the people. With NCM, nationalist sentiments reached to every nook and corner. It also politicized every strata of population. Politicization and activization of millions of men and women. Colonial rule was based on two myths. First is colonial rule was in the interest of Indians. This myth was exploded by economic critiques. Now the second myth was colonial rule was invincible. It was challenged by Satyagraha. So we have covered non-cooperation and Khilafat Andolan. See you in the next. इसका PDF आपको मेरे Telegram channel पर मिल जाएगा. तब तक के लिए all the best. Thank you.